Hey y'all, it's Kathy with the Chalk Monster Boutique. Did you know there's only a few days left in the month of November, and that means there's only a few days left to take advantage of all of our Black Friday amazing weekly wow deals. Yes, that's right, just a few more days. And you guys, we even have Cyber Monday coming up. Cyber Monday specials, November 28th through the 30th. And if you are a designer, you get an extra 40% discount on all of our products, including all of our Black Friday, weekly wows, and our Cyber Monday specials. And when you first join as a designer, you even get a 15% off coupon that you can use one time in your first 60 days on any order. So don't wait, just a few more days left for our Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals, and get your 40% discount off all of our products all the time, plus your bonus 15% off coupon when you join as a designer with Chalk Couture. Message me today, click the button below, and let me know that you want to get your discount on all of your amazing crafting and hobby products. All right, happy chalking, y'all.